All right. Well, howdy. My name's Frank Cline, and I didn't really build anything, but I took this time to set up this framework that I found, and it actually took a lot longer than I anticipated. But I worked with something called AnimalAI Olympics, and it's a training environment inspired by tests for animal cognition for AI, specifically reinforcement learning. And so a little overview of what this is. AnimalAI Olympics provides a framework in Unity, and it provides an environment with various objects in it that can be placed. And so you have an agent, which is the little blue sphere in the bottom left that you can control, and you eventually train an AI to control it. And then you have these other spheres. So the green sphere is a reward, and the goal is to try to get all of the rewards. The gold spheres are also rewards, and red spheres are negative rewards. So you lose if you touch any of those red spheres. And the agent's observations are just, it's in first person, and they get the pixels from the screen. And they also have their velocity, and those are the only observations. So the technologies used, the framework is written in Python, but it uses Unity, right? Everything runs in Unity. And so they have libraries that support Unity's machine learning agents, as well as OpenAI's GIM. And it uses reinforcement learning algorithms. And specifically in my demo, I used the already built proximal policy optimization. And I realized, found out that training only runs on Linux and Mac, but you can run like the application on Windows. So I did that first, then started training. Things went wrong and spent a lot of time trying to figure that out, right? And so here's what I ended up getting. Here's the terminal. Right now it's at 153,000, so it's gone through 153 environments. And this is the guy. You can see the little blue guy running around. His goal is to get that green sphere. And this is what his actual observations are. So he's trying. Struggling. So it goes over a time, and eventually, once it gets down to -1, they lose, and it goes to the next scene. It'd be nice if I could. I'd like to show you him getting it, but yay! Yeah, and I'd like to in the future build more off of this, right? Create more complex environments. The whole idea of the framework is to test how AI compares to animal cognition. And so they have a lot of tests set up already. They're trying. You should have seen it earlier. It was rough. Well, yeah. Any questions? All right. Thank you.